Oh, thank you.
Look at recording us.
Mm-mm.
There's just yellow flies all over you, Dylan.
Oh my goodness, at the yellow flies.
I didn't splash you, better not. You said you stopped me.
Merry Christmas.
Dylan, you can hug him now.
Hey, Dylan.
Can I put my handprints on your shirt?
Oh.
She did anyways.
Oh.
That went directly around her head.
It's so cute.
Just so cute. Your paint is just so cute.
Oh, how cute.
Oh.
Just stand on me. Get it off.
Oh.
They're staying. I promise.
There's space. Let me get it off.
Ring. I'll splash you.
I'll drown you.
Was that funny? Look at the beautiful sign.
Let's go get Charles with the big rocks.
Big rocks. Why are you dragging?
Come on. You want to get some rocks with me?
Charles, your back is soaked. And there is sand, to be honest.
I don't care for sand.
If you don't drown her, please. Oh, she even wrote her initials. Summer! Smack her, Charles. Run after her. Run.
No. Get him, Dylan. Get him. He won't drown you. Let him, Dylan. Let him, Dylan. He can't drown you.
Oh, I'm doing. I can't drown you.
No.
I'll have to throw away this recording.
Me take a picture.
Why are you climbing?
You ain't going to the rocks. Me take a picture.
Summer, are you drunk? She's angry, isn't she?
It's so clean.
He's fake. You just got painted up. You're old.
These stupid stuff you put on me that you didn't
Oh, it is deep. Ah.
You did.
I'm not.
Are you an elephant? It is really deep.
Oh, let's go over there and take a picture.
I'm falling.
How about you do something so I don't die? Oh, almost tripped.
You want to go another rock?
No. No one wants to go to the freaking rocks. Oh, the steps are slippery.
Let's go this way then. Let's take a picture right here. Oh, look at the minnows.
I'm done with
Summer, I thought she I was just gonna stand here and record it, you know, be like them crazy people on Facebook.
It's already wet. You can get in with me.
Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Oh my gosh. You going over there?
You want to walk down the trail?
No.
Come on, Dylan. Let's go look.